you're kidding me.
I'm honest.
Well, how old do you think I am? You said I was old enough to be your grandma.
So let I use my age to judge yours.
Right.
I'll be 69 in January. Shit.
Right.
Or 69. But I just, Mom, I'm going to talk to Mom now. So, Mom, if I'm going to use my age to judge yours,
Yes.
I would say you're 61.
You're very close.
Close?
Yes, I'm 64. I'll be 65. So that's pretty good.
I'm just getting my age to use.
But let me tell you something.
You're
You should have
catching
said
up.
I looked like I was 40. Right? You lie.
That's
You lie.
you
You
know
lie,
what?
and I swear to it.
Mom, you know what?
You lie, and I
to
swear to it.
to be honest with you, any how you feel, that's the way you judge.
That's right.
Oh. If you feel young, you're young.
You're gonna live a
A
long
lean
time.
dog is a mean dog.
Yes, yes.
And I used to be very lean. Now I got hips like battleships, but don't mess
Oh
with
my
me.
God.
All right?
She must be obeyed.
Don't worry. Be happy.
Yeah. One good push and you got a new career going for you.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Like
I'm
Rumple
hanging
on
on
the
to
bed.
it, okay?
Wow. Look at the plants in the branches. The air plants. Wow, what a picture I'm taking. Of all the rats. Yeah, we knew Mr. Johnson in St. Vincent. We went to St. Vincent in the Grenadines long ago. We rented a Toyota from Mr. Johnson.
And
he
said, don't take it into
do
the
not
banana
take the
groves."
don't take my Toyota Corolla over the lava flow. There's a coconut plantation.
Don't do
and
it.
guess what I did anyway? And as soon as I drove into coconut plantation, a cluster of coconuts came down and landed right on the hood. It put a big dent in Mr. Johnson's Toyota. I had to pop that thing out.
Oh my God.
And Mr. Johnson is probably dead now because he was about 30.
I haven't been.
Oh, they trying to copy off of us. Who's doing the music?
Termites. No, down there. Down there, right there.
I don't have a Bluetooth.
Why?
Tell them to change the channel to
Yayo. Yayo.
change the channel to Twinkle Brothers.
Oh, I never heard of those people.
They're good. The guy's in the 80s and he's still playing.
Yayo.
Oh, yeah, I know
Sunlight's coming and we want to go
Wait,
home.
is it drizzling?
Yeah, it's raining.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, good thing I wore my little thing.
Are you afraid of it?
No, I'm not sugar.
Oh,
I'm not gonna.
You're honey?
you're salt.
You're a honey?
No, not honey.
You're a salt?
We're tough.
All right, all right.
Green banana.
Cook very well.
You're plantain.
Yeah.
You're plantain.
No problem.
Plantain and conch fritters. Oh, we're getting a traffic jam over here.
It's raining.
Yeah.
Sir, you know what we have today? Liquid sunshine.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, you know what? I'm going to take you down out of it.
It also grows hair in your head, too. The elixir. Special elixir.
Obviously, you haven't been in the rain too often, sir. Right?
Special elixir. No, just passing through. Just passing through.
We're not here for a long time. We're
Just
here
here
for
for a good time. Raft Captain 93.
We hear the thunder?
Yeah. Remember, say when me they come from the trailer,
That's
me
the
see them,
thunder.
they come from down up here.
Yeah, but then say we go call Mr. Daly. True, then tell me.
No, me only tell you say when
Oh, that's how you see me, see you? That's how you see me?
I'm trailer me come from and come make one to ban.
What me you see when you come? Oh! No, the dispatcher said we go call Mr. Daly. So I have to move forward because no service don't appear. But I don't know if he come up or no.
The raft truck.
That's what take the raft up there. That trailer.
Yeah.
Take the raft up.
Yeah, that's the union guy.
Ah.
Does he get a payoff when he dropped? You almost, you got, he took away your pole, right?
My coat.
Your pole.
Oh.
He wanted you to do it with no pole.
Okay, okay.
Up a river without a pole.
You need to complain to the union boss about that one.
Well, I have to go and do that.
Yeah.
Hey,
You need a union rep. You need someone to represent you.
So I can have you to represent me?
Right, a shop steward. You need to negotiate for better, longer poles.
I can have you to represent for me.
Yeah, I'm a union daughter. I'll be your union rep.
The water's about a good 10 feet deep here.
More than that.
More than that.
15 right
15 feet.
And
I'm
he was not
surprised.
going to give her a pole.
now.
He was going to paddle his way down.
Look at that gift shop there.
Yeah, man. How would I come with one for you? Branson gone early. You gone early? Yeah. Kojo make one for you too? How should I raft Kojo gone with?
Tarzan's Garden.
Strong old one.
Tarzan's Garden. That looks
Only
like
if I
a...
want to lose half everything up here yesterday. One did around yesterday? Yeah.
That's Trump's Garden.
The two one right on up here yesterday. I couldn't go in and say I feel around, so I lose and tell you. I look for yesterday because I walk the whole place up there and look for one. I see it on 10 but I know yours because I use it already.